Hey, Centerville families and students. I want to welcome you to the 2020-2021 school year. I'm Mr. Troy Stalin, and I'll be teaching your son or daughter English, either junior American literature or senior writing in the real world. I've got some quick points to make, and then I will send you on your way. So just a quick bit about me educationally. I've got a master's degree of education that's ongoing with UC. I'm currently pursuing that. This is my 6th year of teaching. I've taught all 6 years here at Centerville High School. Before that, I was doing all kinds of things, but mostly coaching and working on getting my teaching license here in the state of Ohio. I did my student teaching at Hughes High School in Cincinnati, which I thoroughly enjoyed. Over the years, I have taught 9th grade, that's freshman English essentials. We no longer offer essentials levels, but when we were, I taught that. All 6 years, I have taught 11th American literature, that's juniors, and then I've also taught seniors as well. This is my first year. This is the first year we're offering writing in the real world. So I'm looking very much to teaching that as it provides maybe a new way of applying writing and reading in more applicable ways to the real world. Professionally, this is also will be my 6th season as the boys varsity lacrosse head coach. During that time, we have come a long way. Most recently, of course, with the COVID season, we didn't have one, but most recently we made it to the state Elite 8 in the state tournament, which was very exciting. It's the furthest Centerville Lacrosse has ever made it in its 12 years of existence. And then in the wintertime, I'm also a Level 2 USA hockey official. So if you don't find me here at school, I'm out in the community, either coaching lacrosse or refereeing hockey, or maybe at a Lowe's or Home Depot getting some home project materials. Furthermore, I'm married to Caroline Stalin, who also teaches here at Centerville High School. We have a son who's currently 14 months. His name is Quinn. We've had a great time getting to spend as much time as we did over the COVID break, being at home. And then we also have a chocolate lab named Jake, who is, if you're interested, 4 years old, which is perfect timing because he was very energetic. And I can't imagine having him and a 14-month-old son at the same time. Here you can see my contact information, troy.stalin@centerville.k12.oh.us. This is probably the most expedient way of getting a hold of me. Of course, you can always call here at school and leave a voicemail, whether through athletic or through the South Unit office. I'm looking forward to a great year. I do use Google Classroom, as all teachers will this year, and that's another way of getting in touch with me or checking up on your students' progress through the course of this school year. So that's just a little bit about me. I'm looking forward to getting to know your son or daughter this school year, and you'll be hearing from me from time to time through parent emails on updates within my classroom. So without anything else, I wish you guys good luck and welcome to the 2020-2021 school year. Thank you.